So today I thought I'd do something a little bit different, and we're going to do an unboxing today. And what I've got here is a package from Darn Good Yarn. Now this is from the Yarn of the Month Club. So if you don't know what that is, I'll tell you a little bit more about it here in just a moment. But I really want to open this package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. All right. Let's take a look at the different things we've got. Oh, nice. So here we've got some Yarn of the Month Club information. And then we've got a QR code. Now this is a coupon to receive a free knit or crochet pattern. Oh, that's awesome. So that's in here. All right, what else have we got? Oh, and here's our yarn. Oh, what is this? So this is a Darn Good Twist. This is a sport. Okay, so this is a sport weight silk. And then there's information about the yarn and just what hook size or needle size to work if you are knitting. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, I love this. So what is included with the Yarn of the Month Club subscription? Each month, you get one skein of premium hand-dyed yarn, one free knit or crochet pattern. You get 5% off every order you make at darngoodyarn.com. You also get discounted flat rate shipping, 35% off coupon for your next order, and access to the Yarn of the Month Club Facebook group, which is where you can connect with a whole bunch of really cool people that also like to crochet and knit. Because everybody knows that that friend that knits and crochets is the coolest friend you have. So, be cool too. To be a part of this really awesome subscription, you're going to go to darngoodyarn.com. You're going to click on the side menu, go to subscriptions, and then find Yarn of the Month Club. This is going to take you to the info page where you can find out a lot more about Yarn of the Club, as well as add the subscription to your cart. So just click on Get Started. It'll take you to your cart, and you can select how many Yarn of the Month Club subscriptions you want for this month. And from there, you just sit down, enjoy a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whatever it is you drink, and wait for your yarn to arrive. It's awesome. And now for giveaway time. So if you would like a package like this one, which is the first month of the Yarn of the Month Club from Darn Good Yarn, head on over to my Instagram page where you can enter to win. Now to enter the win, you need to follow me on Instagram, and then you just leave a comment on my post. So there's going to be a post on there talking about the Yarn of the Club month. Like the post, leave a comment on the post, and if you would like to share with other friends, you can go ahead and tag a friend for an extra entry. I will be announcing the winners on Sunday night, so look out for that, and expect a package like this in the mail. So head on over to Instagram, and I'll see you there.